Welcome back everybody. So guys, here you can see that this is a simple paragraph. You've learned about this a lot more, but right now I'm just gonna teach you some more interesting things. This is a simple paragraph. Go there and press enter and add P again. Okay, and this is the second paragraph. Perfect. Now for the second one, first I just want to show you that how it's looking in the browser. It's looking as simple as it is, but right now I just want to make the second as the bold. Okay, for doing this we have to add the B tag, and exactly we have to stop the B tag, so there is an ending tag too. So the B tag is starting in the ending for around the second. Now refresh. Now you can see that the text is bold, the second is bold now. So now here is a simple, I just want to make it italicized, so go there and put the I, and exactly we have to stop this there. Okay, as I said before, that if you know about the MS Office or especially the MS Word, then you can easily understand the meaning of the B for bold and I for italicize. This is a very common feature of any word processing program, but here you can see that it became italicized. That means it's working perfectly. Well, duplicate this, and this is the third. I'm just typing third paragraph, but for now I'm not putting the bold, but refresh that to see first. Now you can see that this is as simple as it is, but now I'm just updating the B to U. What the mean of U? Exactly, we have to stop the U too. And the meaning of U is very simple, that basically it's underlining. You can see that the third is underlined. That means all these very basic elements are working perfectly. And for the paragraph, I'm duplicating this one, and right now fourth. Okay, but for this fourth, what I'm just doing, I'm applying the B first, and as I said that when you open any tag, close this first before opening any other, but inside the B I'm opening U2. Okay, then close this one too, and then the I2. But when you are trying to nest the tags as much as you can, like the P first, then U, then I, then don't forget to put it in a right manner, in a right order. The B is on the very first, they should be on the very last. Okay, the U is in the middle of the left side, so should be in the middle, and I is at the very right, so there it should be the very left. Okay, so that is going really perfect, in a perfect manner. Go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that it's bold, it's italicized, and it's underlined. So all these major functions and the major tags are working perfectly, major features are working perfectly. Something more you must know, I'm just adding the simple blank space here, and then, or why not I just create a new paragraph, because I just want to show you some interesting thing, that instead of bold tag, you can use strong. Okay, two. You can use bold tag, or you can use a strong tag too. So for the bold I'm using the B, but for the strong I'm using the strong. You can use the strong too. It works same as the bold works. So save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that both are working same. Instead of the bold tag, you can use strong too, and they're working perfectly. Now press enter, and now P, instead of the italicize, you can use the emphasize tag 2. Okay, so there I'm using the I tag. Okay, and here instead of the I, I'm using EM. EM means the emphasized. Save and check it on the browser. Refresh. Now you can see that both are looking perfect. And the other thing is, if you just want to create a small tag, a small text, so First of all, you can see that this is the small text. Okay, so let's just put the small tag and end this up there, small, and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that this is the small text. This is the normal size. Yeah, exactly, it's a small, but actually you know that the screen is zoomed in, so you just cannot understand. So why not I cut this and paste there to just clarify. Now just concentrate on these things. Refresh. Now you can see that the D is small too. That means the small tag is working perfectly. Well, one thing more I just forgot to do, that again the P, and instead of underline, you can use the insert tag too. Okay, so there, the U tag. Okay, now instead of the U, you can use the INS tag, which looks same like the INS, the underline. Now you can see that both are looking perfect and same. Just for the information you must know about that. So something more just after that, some more interesting formatting styles. I'm just teaching you the formats of the text formats of the HTML. Another P tag and go there. The old price, or I think the price of the shampoo is 100. Okay, and then the 95, whatever. So there, just use the DEL and end this up with the DEL and INS and end this up with the INS. You will see what is the DEL tag when I just refresh this. Now you can see that I just cut at the value of the 100. Actually the DEL is work like the strike throw. And the last thing is go there and another P tag, because I'm just making another paragraph, and there you are number 5th, whatever, but for the 5th it should be superscript, super S-U-P, P for power. Okay, superscript. So refresh, you're number 5th. You can see that the TH is on the top. Okay, now P, the atomic mass. Oh wow, I'm not teaching you the chemistry, sorry about that. The atomic mass of the C means the carbon is 12, C12, but this should be look like this sub. Actually I just want to show you the subscript SUB. Okay, so that's why I just put it some chemistry there. Now the atomic mass of C is 12, so this is a superscript, this is a subscript. And you should not be really curious about the chemistry right now, because you just got a lot of interesting tags, interesting formatting tags. You should apply them. And the last one, which is the HTML5's element, very latest, the HTML5 element or the formatting element. Now go there and put another P, and this text should be marked, whatever, and let's just mark it by adding the mark tag. Save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that the mark is marked. This is the way we can use the, now refresh, perfect. Now basically this is the HTML5's element, but pretty important. So guys, in the next class we'll learn a lot more things. Stay tuned.